What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody has a great day. Ray's got me working on this 2018 Jeep over here, and I'm gonna show you what's going on with it. That 2018 Jeep Sahara. Customer complaint that it has a grinding noise when he's going down the road. Hears it from the rear. Check the brakes, check the front brakes, all that good stuff. Brakes are good. Let me show you what we found. You notice the axle's out of it. So the axle's out of it. Don't mind the race. That's where I pulled it out. That's why that gap is right there. But this thing is very, very, very crunchy. There's a lip on it. Beep to you do. Beep to you too. Does not look so hot in there. Same thing with the other side. That race does not look all that great. It is very crunchy. It is very gritty. Look, you can see metallic in there. See the metal flakes shining in there? Let me see all that metal in there? Let me. It's anti-seize. We've got anti-seize, and that's feeling very, very gritty on the bearing down here. Same with the other one over here, but we haven't got to the meat and potatoes yet. Down right there, very, very gritty. Come up here. Look right there. Compared to that one. Yeah, put them both together at the same time. See, I got hot. This one got hot. Here's the cap. Very dark. It's got very hot. Here's the cap for the other side. You can see all the grooves in that. Here's the spacer and the bearing race. And here's the spacer in the bearing race. It got very hot. There's a lot of, look at that groove in there. Right there, there's a groove. So let's go over here, over there where you see Ray. I had the differential on the table. We'll go there and take a look at that. I cleaned my finger off and it's still sparkly. Yeah, I got a sparkly finger. But here's the carrier. This thing looks horrible, doesn't it, Ray? You can actually see all the metal on there. It sounds horrible.
That's bad.
It's bad.
It's real bad.
And it's bent.
I wonder how that happened.
Oh. Customer never tells you.
Ultimate one-wheel wonder.
One-wheel wonder. Very, very gritty. Very bad. You see all the metal. You can actually see the shiny spots too. Let's go spin. Stick my hand up here. That sounds horrible. So it was pinion bearing, carrier bearings, and the wheel bearings. All of them. And plus all the metal inside the tube. You get that light? Shining on this side. Oh yeah. Straight metal. Straight metal. So all the bearings are toasted. The pinion bearing's toasted. You can see where the pinion was riding on the ring. You can see the shiny spots on that. So every bearing in the rear end. So much metal gone through that. He's gonna need a lot of work. So we found the grinding noise that he was having. It's not just a bearing, there's a whole lot going on. So that was pretty bad. I did not know all that metal was inside that tube until I stuck my finger in there like you guys saw me do. There was some metal chunks that came out when they drained the fluid into the bucket, which is over here, and I'll actually show you that too. If you see, there's some metal chunks, a bunch of metal chunks. Glitter party, look at all that. This was a clean bucket. And that's all the fluid that came out of it. Chunks. that's what came out. So what causes it to do that? Is it lack of maintenance? Is it the one wheel wonder? Is it, I don't know. I do know, but I want you guys to figure it out. Leave it down in the comments. Let me know what you think it is. This person's gonna need a whole lot of work done. So yep, basically new pinion bearings, new axle bearings, new carrier, all of it, whole 9 yards, and clean out the axle tubes. So anyway, I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one.